Hi everyone, Namaste. So today we will be learning how to do some of the intense workout through yoga practice. You can take this practice to help your body to get well toned, also help to get the muscular power, also helpful for weight loss. So let us start. We have 5 different steps, starting first with legs together. So take your hands, stretch them, join them, expand your hands, look back. So stay here, roughly 10 seconds more. You have to lift high from rib cage, look back. Now from here, bend forward, reach the ground, forehead towards the kneecap. Crush your stomach a lot while you're doing this. Now pull your right leg back. So left leg is in the front, right kneecap tight, hip align at center, get your waist down. Take your hands up, allow the whole body weight on the left thigh. So keep breathing deep here. Now you can stay for 10 seconds. I shall try to quickly move so that you can know the steps better. Then again lean back, look straight, and here also stay for 10 seconds. Elongating your breathing. So breathing holds most important here that you must do. Then right hand on the ground, left hand shoulder to the sky. Look up and breathe deep. Waist to be lowered. Don't lift it up. Then shift the left hand on the ground. Take the right hand up. Open the shoulder. Tight the right kneecap. Look up. So every posture try to maintain for 10 seconds. Now take the right hand on the back. Just stay here. If possible, interlock it with the left hand. Open the shoulders, stay there. Again spend for deep breathing here. Come back, get your hands on the ground, pull the leg back. Low waist, high waist plank. Stay here. So longer breathe in and out. So for a little bit of muscular capability, we can do a plank position. In the plank, right leg up. Stay here for 25 seconds. Keeping your breathing deep. So I am finishing the video quite early so that you can get to know the steps and practice on your own. And now switch it to the left side. So let's stay here for 25 seconds. And stop. Drop both the knees down. Chin on the ground. Rib cage on the ground and stay there. Hip is raised high. So try to do this practice. Now drop your waist, keep your legs apart, hands legs straight all together up. This is to be given for backbone strengthening. Longer breathe in and out. Now hold your ankles, one big breathe in, stretch the backbone high here. Look up and stay there. Now release it here, hands next to the rib cage, raise the upper back. Look up and stay there. Keep your breathing deep. Now pull up your waist high, get your head towards the ground. Now bring the right leg in the front. Alright? Stretch your hands up, get your waist lowered and allow the whole body weight on the right thigh. Stay here. Keep your breathing deep. Pull both the hands back. Now get your waist down, raise the rib cage. So maintain 10 seconds, though the video is quite finishing early, but you try to do maintaining count 10 seconds every posture. Breathe well on every position. Left hand on the ground, right hand up. Breathe well here. Right hand on the ground, left hand up. Breathe well here. Now get both the legs together. So standing position, push the forehead to the kneecap. Now keep your legs apart, split the thighs and stretch your hands here. Stay here. Hold here, breathe deep. Now stand up here, take your hands stretched up, hold here. Then take it over, long breath in and out. Now let's go for the next round. So here your legs are together. Bend your kneecaps, expand your hands up. Look up and straighter. Keep your breathing deep. So make your kneecaps straight, push the palms down, forehead to the kneecap. So your left leg in the front, right leg back. Get yourself down here, stretch your hands up, tilt the body to the right side. Okay, let me show you this angle. So tilt the body to the right side and you stay here. So let us hold here for 10 seconds. We are more leaning the body weight to the right side, giving load on the left thigh so that left thigh's muscles become stronger. Now move the body to center. No changes in the legs. Leg will be eventually pushed back here. Again, load we are giving on the left thigh. Now get the right hand here. Right shoulder press it hard. Left hand up. The punching of right shoulder will be helpful for shoulders to de-stress. And don't forget to have deep breathing every time. So try to make 10 seconds on each posture. Get your hands on the ground. Pull the left leg back. And try to work on breathing here. This posture is called Dandasana. This has capability to strengthen the backbone, waist and the hands. People who have completed their pregnancy period or when they are carrying, it is important to hold here. That avoids their back pain. Now, interlock your hands down to the plank position. Get right knee to the right elbow. You can stay here for 25 seconds. Then you can change to the next leg for 25 seconds. Don't forget to breathe well. Now, move to Ashtanga Namaskara. Your palms on the ground, kneecap, rib cage on the ground and stay here. Have deeper breath in and out. Now, pull your waist down, legs up in the air, hands back, open the shoulders, look up. Try to take deeper breath in and out. This you may consider for your backbone toning. Now bend both the legs, hold your ankles. Now press heel to the hip well. Heel to the hip well, thighs up, upper back high and straighter. Drop the legs down, hands stretch to the rib cage, pull the upper back tight, look up and stay there. Now try to pull your waist high, head towards the ground. Fill in the breath well. Right leg comes in the front. So your right leg is in the front. You're going to bend the right leg. Thus we are repeating what we did on the other side. Allow the whole body weight here. Stay here. Breathe a lot here. Now let me show you in this angle. You move the body to center. Now left hand on the feet, left shoulder pushed, right hand up. Since this is a very perfect practice where you want intensity but you should not carry any body soreness or pain. So you can rely on this position. So legs together, bend forward here. And now bend both the legs, show the hands to me. Okay, now you try to breathe in well, breathe out. Breathe in, out, in, out. This helps your stomach to get very well massaged. Your stomach does lots of work to digest your food. It should be better, it should be healthy to take care of your health. Bend the knees and take your hands up. And get your hands free. Now, again work on your breathing. Let's see how can you inhale and exhale. Your breathing becomes more better. Now we are going for the third round. Legs together, take your hands up, bend back. Bend forward. Now, people who have shoulder complaints, please be aware of this. You bend both the legs. First, right hand hold the left ankle, then left hand hold the right ankle. Keep moving the legs apart, then get your waist down, neck up. Breathe deep here. Fill in the lungs. The breath is more towards the shoulders. You should be aware of it. Now you come up, right leg back, left leg in the front. Bend the left leg, okay? Left knee out, right knee tight. Hands wide open, keeping a gentle smile. Look at the tip of the fingers. This is called Virabhadrasana. If you want to strengthen the thighs, eventually for your intestines, this is one among the practice. Take long breath in, spend 20 seconds here. A variation here, left hand up without modifying the left thigh, reach here. Get the left hand next to the left leg. This is Parshva Konasana. Open the shoulders, extend the hand here. So many of you will try to do this looking the ground. Avoid looking the ground, look at the sky instead. Breathe a lot. This will take care of your liver and pancreas health along with lungs opening and thigh strengthening. Make your left leg straight. Open the shoulder. There's huge impact on the lungs, internal glands such as kidneys. Make your breathing deep. So the breath pushes down till the thighs. Right leg is more impacting here, though left leg is touching. Get both the hands on the ground. Forehead on the kneecap. Now take the left leg back. Keep breathing deep here. Longer inhalation and exhalation. Now hold in the plank position. Right knee taken to the left elbow. So you can choose for 25 seconds. Try to meet the left elbow from right kneecap. The same practice on the left side. Now pull the legs back. Now kneecaps on the ground, rib cage on the ground, chin on the ground. Stay here. Breathe deep here. This is the point where your body gets recharged. Now get your waist down, pull the legs up, hands up and stay there. Hold here, breathe deep. Now hold your ankles, the upper foot. Hold the upper foot. So people who generally have kneecap pain, is must to try this posture. This also helps you to cleanse the backbone. Your health is being told by your backbone. Take deeper breath in and out here. Get down, hands next to your rib cage, pull the upper body high. Stretch the upper back. You lift the upper back here, it's the best thing you are doing for the heart. Most of the time, heart does the worst thing by holding the stress. So do this way, it's one of the best things to do for the heart. Pull up your waist high. So people who think of blood pressure, this one will help you to calm down the blood pressure. Work on normal breathing here. Now get the right leg in the front. So my right leg in the front and I bend my right leg. Kneecap out, expand the hands, look at the tip of the fingers. Give a good breathing here. Fill in the lungs. Now take the right hand up. It's a variation. Trust me, your lungs improves very well. More oxygenation, good work for your metabolism. So take the left hand above the head. Right hand on the ground, left hand above the head. Left kneecap tight. Stay here. Parshva Konasana. Longer breathe in and out. Make your right leg straight here. Open the left shoulder, look up. Again continue, keep your breathing more longer and slower. Now connect both the hands on the ground, forehead to the kneecap. Again keep your breathing longer. Now get your legs close by. They are separated. Bend the legs here. Left hold the right, right hold the left. Last time it was like this. This time you do this way. Spread your legs, maybe mat distance apart or more than that. Press your hip, neck up. Do step by step. First legs, then hips, then upper back. Then come back. So after you sweat this much, how can you expect not to lose weight? Definitely it will help you. Now take your hands up and release. Remember one thing, your body is made by food. Only thing can take out is burning it or reducing the intake. Else than that, no other mechanism to burn the fat. Simply I hold in one position and I expect to burn, no, it will not happen. You need the cardio action to happen. Now let us continue. Legs together. Let's lower energy, join your hands. Keeping your hands touched, stretch your head up and look up and stay there. Kneecap straight, bend forward. I am just trying to deliver the content to you. So try to push yourself more by increasing the counts. So now, this is quite important thing for people who want to carry their leg strength for lifelong. Left leg on the right leg. Split the legs like this. You can stay here, okay? Or you can continue, right hand hold the right toe, left hand hold the left toe. You can still stay here. You want to continue, elbows on the ground. Stay there. Hold. Come back. Left leg in the front, right leg back. Godhikasana, that means lizard posture. Keep both the elbows on the ground. Neck up and stay here. Nourish yourself with a deep breathing. Left hand up and stay there. Take longer breath in and out. Now left elbow on the ground, right hand up and stay there. Again take longer breath in and out. Now get both the hands on the ground, pull the leg back. Okay? Feel breathing here. I request women to hold longer time here because their waist region loses strength because of maximum work over there. Let's go for the side plank. Left elbow on the ground. Take your right hand up. Stay here. Roughly we hold for 30 seconds here. Longer breath in and out. Now we shall change. Right elbow on the ground, left hand up and stay here. And even here, try to maintain for 30 seconds. Now come down, kneecaps on the ground and rest the chin and ribcage on the ground. Now drop your waist here, spread your legs wide apart, get your feet together at the back. This posture is called a Mandutasana, that means frog position. Upper back high, look up and stay there. Longer breathe in and out. So this exactly is how the frog looks. The frog's pelvic is having extra strength to push its body to the maximum extent, which we don't have. So when we are trying to do this one, we are strengthening our pelvic area. Oxygenate your body well. Now get yourself down. Come with bent legs. Alright? Let us try to join the heels together. I recommend this one for people with shoulder stiffness. Get yourself high, look up. Keep breathing deep. Come down. Hands next to the rib cage, upper back high. Breathe deep here. Now take up your waist high, head towards the ground. Right leg comes to the front. Elbows on the ground and stay there. Breathe deep, make up. Right hand up. It's quite difficult for left hand, but try your best. But don't feel like I can't do it, I will stop doing it. Today you don't do, tomorrow also you can't do. Okay, now get your legs together. So now when your legs are together, take leg out of other. You can first start with this one. Okay, I can do some more, then split it. Okay, I can do some more, hold your toes, pull the elbows down and stay there. Breathe here. Then come back. So stand up gently, take your hands up, join them, bend back. And release the hands. So now we shall go for the last one. Legs apart. Hands to the backbone, open the shoulders, push your waist, look back to the wrist. Come back. So notice here, easy posture but complicated words. Left leg folds, left hand hold the right toe, right hand show to the sky, right hand on the inner thigh. Look up and stay there. Come back. Now take the right leg back, right knee on the ground, left leg in the front. Press your waist, open the shoulders. So this is very helpful for thyroid gland. If men has legs, sexual organs spar, this will help you to nourish them. Open the shoulders, look up. A good sexual health will always define how the vitality in your body. Now, make your left leg straight, put your hands on the ground, forehead on the left knee. So let's try to hold here. Try continuing your breathing. Now take your left leg back, hold here. Stay here. So let's try a modification in the plank. Your left elbow on the ground, show the right hand to the sky, fold the left leg, stretch it straight like this and hold here. So this is quite difficult. I don't want it to be here. Let it direct towards the heart. So let's do the same on the other side. Keep it here, stretch it here. So the other way, maybe for 30 seconds we can hold. Both 30 seconds. Now we shall go for Ashtanga Namaskara. So here we'll do a little bit of stretching. Right leg up. Then take your left leg up. Now get them down, drop your waist, pull the upper back high along with the hands and look up. So this one you can consider for thoracic health, which will take care of your asthma. It will be helpful for your heart, also take out the tension in the shoulders. Now get your hands next to the rib cage, pull the upper back high, stretch the neck up. Take up your waist high, head towards the ground. Now get your right leg in the front. Press your waist, open the shoulders, look up. Now make your right leg straight, bend forward. Get your legs together, spread them apart, bend only the left leg, left hand hold the right toe, right hand up, keep it on the inner thigh. Look up. Now come back, take your hands on the back, push yourself back and look back. And release. So after this, take some good time to sleep on the back. This was a whole series which is meant for improving our strength and burn the fat in our body, taking out all the weakness. So thank you so much for being with me, practicing exercises here. So let's meet with the next video. Also you can input some of the comments so that I can get to know what is your interest so that I can approach you in a better way. So thank you so much.